30 years ago, an incredible event shook the automobile industry. Chevrolet introduced the first genuine American sports car, Corvette. And every year since, technical advancements have kept it the Chevrolet innovator. Born in 1953 with a straight six named the Blue Flame, Chevrolet added power and performance in the mid-1950s with innovations like the 265 cubic inch V8 in '55 and fuel injection and positraction in '57. In fact, whenever new technology surfaced, Corvette was usually first to feature it. By 1962, Corvette reached the peak of its first-generation development. It was not only fast, with a choice of 4 performance engines, it was also agile. Then came the '63 Stingray, an instant hit that doubled Corvette production. One of the most exciting cars ever built, it featured a smooth fastback, split rear window, and concealed headlamps. Stingray ushered in a new level of vehicle dynamics with an impressive performance chassis and independent rear suspension. In 1965, power reigned supreme, and Corvette led the way with an optional 396 CID Porcupine Head engine, boasting 425 horsepower and an 11-to-1 compression ratio. 1968 was the year for yet another new body. Its tunneled roof with removable panels, sloping front end and rear spoiler proved immensely popular. In 1970, a manual 4-speed transmission and the largest engine ever available in a Corvette, the incredible 390 horsepower 454 LS5 V8, pushed it to an even higher level of stock performance. 1975 was the last year for the Corvette convertible, a classic design. Chevrolet celebrated Corvette's 25th birthday in 1978 with 2 special edition fastbacks, one to pace the pack at Indy, the other a silver anniversary design. 1982 marked the end of another Corvette generation, with a collector edition featuring a custom exterior and interior, exclusive glass hatchback, and the advanced crossfire injection 5.7-liter V8 engine. As with any truly classic design, Corvette has its own mystique. Today, hundreds of national and international Corvette clubs and classic car associations regularly hold rallies where members gather to share and compare cars, parts, history, and experiences related to the thrill of Corvette ownership. Corvette enjoys worldwide recognition as a dream machine with the uncanny ability to stir the emotions of buyers of all ages. A tribute to Chevrolet's appreciation of quality, innovation, performance, and tradition. Now the excitement continues with the new generation Corvette, featuring the most complete redesign in its history. Corvette, a new classic, available now from Chevrolet. Be discriminating. Choose advanced design. Expect technical innovation. Demand performance. Accept only the best. Then seat yourself in a machine so new, so innovative, so remarkably well designed that it's destined to become another classic. The new Corvette. From its V-shaped nose to its razor-sharp spoiler, Corvette's advanced aerodynamics are apparent from every angle. Up front, an integrated air dam channels and directs wind pressure for remarkable steering response. The low sloping hood merges with the steeply raked windshield to efficiently cut through the air. Molded fastback glass and the integral rear spoiler enhance airflow over the vehicle to keep Corvette glued to the road. Corvette's streamlined shape pays off with a .340 coefficient of drag, a 23% improvement over the 1982 Corvette. Corvette's advanced design incorporates many technical features. Motor-driven halogen headlamps provide both low and high beams. Standard halogen fog lamps improve road visibility at night. Its streamlined shape is protected by full perimeter side molding and accented by functional engine exhausts. Corvette's road illumination is enhanced by front cornering lamps. From behind, the familiar Corvette nameplate and quad circular tail lamps maintain recognition of styling heritage stretching over 30 years. Inside Corvette's sophisticated cockpit, a dazzling array of instruments and operating controls combine to make the machine an extension of the driver. Behind the leather-wrapped steering wheel, bright liquid crystal speedometer and tachometer displays arc over numeric readouts of road and engine speed in either English or metric scales. An innovative driver information system includes an LED digital display located in the cluster, controlled by a switch panel located above the radio. Drivers may select readouts for range, trip odometer, instant and average MPG, oil pressure, oil temperature, coolant temperature, and voltage. Corvette performance is enhanced by high-back bucket seats, available in woven cloth or optional leather trim. Each molds to body contours with cushion and backrest lateral supports and back angle adjustments. Accenting Corvette's interior is thick cut pile carpeting. Generous amounts of sound insulation, such as thick carpet backing and one-piece foam headliner, help keep the interior quiet. Corvette has always offered a long list of standard sport features. Now there are more than ever, including air conditioning with separate fan and defrost controls, side window defrost outlets. Corvette's standard Delco AM/FM stereo sound system features Delco's electronically tuned receiver, a power antenna, and 4 matched full-range speakers. Also standard, washer and wiper controls with intermittent feature offer simple fingertip operation. And twin lockable compartments provide convenient stowage space with the added benefit of security. More secure storage space is provided by a lockable glove box. Inside, a door-mounted lamp illuminates a cassette case, coin holder, and remote hatch release. The center console also houses the shift lever, cigarette lighter, and ashtray, as well as controls for the power windows and electronically operated sport mirrors. The convenience of a telescopic tilt steering wheel and column is also standard. But Corvette's most exhilarating standard feature is the open-air sensation provided by the one-piece lift-off roof panel. It's easy to remove and store because now all Corvettes feature the versatility of hatchback design with a frameless one-piece glass hatch. It provides for easy access to a spacious carpeted cargo area, including a specific roof panel stowage space. Corvette, providing the outstanding level of performance you'd expect in a world-class sports car from Chevrolet. Corvette's styling excitement is much more than skin deep. The front-hinged one-piece clamshell hood opens to reveal a well-designed package of power plant components. The high-performance 5.7-liter Crossfire injection engine features dual computer-controlled fuel injection units for responsive acceleration and precise fuel metering. Corvette's rocker arm covers and air cleaner are made of lightweight magnesium for reduced mass and for a customized appearance. Clearly marked dipsticks and reservoir caps and standard Delco Freedom Plus 2 battery make routine maintenance simple. Enhancing the power of the 5.7-liter Crossfire V8 engine is a high-flow exhaust system. For sporty response, Corvette offers a choice of 2 transmissions: the automatic 4-speed overdrive or the high-performance manual 4-speed overdrive transmission. Corvette's lightweight front and rear fiberglass monolith springs and its fully independent rear suspension combine for a smooth, stable ride. Exclusive 15-inch cast aluminum wheels and wide Goodyear Eagle GT steel-belted radial ply tires grip the road for responsive handling. Standard power rack and pinion steering responds to driver input with a precise, finely tuned road sense. High output braking capacity is provided by Corvette's standard 4-wheel power disc brakes. They incorporate semi-metallic low-drag linings for low fade characteristics and many aluminum components for reduced weight. Corvette also offers built-in protection with its own anti-theft system. Activated by the last door locked, if the car is forcibly entered, the horn sounds intermittently and the starter circuit is interrupted, even if the ignition switch is bypassed. The all-new Corvette, a showcase of Chevrolet technical innovation. Although Corvette is a well-equipped car with a long list of standard features, there are those who want increased performance, more luxury, or additional innovations. Corvette offers a major breakthrough in automotive sound reproduction: the Delco Bose stereo system with cassette player. Its excellent sensitivity and signal-to-noise ratio, low total harmonic distortion, and superb frequency response, combined with Dolby noise reduction and DNR, Delco's own dynamic noise reduction circuits, to deliver a magnificently clean signal, which is further enhanced by 4 internally balanced, exclusive Bose speakers. Each direct reflecting speaker incorporates a 25-watt RMS power amplifier and specific sound-forming circuitry for proportioned stereophonic sound. Other options include an electric rear window defogger and heated side view mirrors, all controlled by a single switch. Exclusive 16 by 8.5-inch aluminum wheels, and Goodyear Eagle VR50 steel-belted radial ply tires. Offering remarkable lateral capability, these V-rated tires and specific aluminum wheels can be ordered separately or as part of the Z51 Performance Handling Package. The Z51 package includes wider 16 by 9.5-inch rear aluminum wheels, a high-ratio positraction rear axle, heavy-duty shocks and monoleaf springs, larger stabilizer bars, a faster steering gear ratio for remarkable steering response. The convenience of automatic speed control with resume speed feature is available for both automatic and manual transmissions. Corvette, an aspiration the world over. Totally redesigned to satisfy the performance, handling, and sport luxury demands of a technological society. A prized possession. A sound investment. A reflection of a lifestyle. And pure exhilaration behind the wheel. Own a legend. Own Corvette.
car has ever caught the imagination of the American public, it's the Corvette. For the past 30 years, it's been the pace-setting American sports car. The new Corvette continues that pioneering tradition, combining advanced technology with its heritage as America's only production sports car. Developed from the ground up, the new Corvette is a classic example of form following function. Practically every component, every system in the vehicle works to deliver remarkable overall performance. The result is a sports car that becomes a virtual extension of the driver, instantly responding to every input, quickly, predictably, and with remarkable cornering stiffness. A closer look at the design and technology in the new Corvette should convince anyone it's the best Corvette ever. For instance, start with styling. It's a winning integration of tradition and innovation. A greater understanding of aerodynamics helped Chevrolet stylists develop Corvette's smooth, clean wedge shape. Every design element was subjected to intense aerodynamic scrutiny. And advances in manufacturing processes enabled designers to fabricate the fiberglass body with no exposed bond seams, enabling Corvette to move through the air with a minimum of drag. In total, Corvette's streamlined shape is reflected in its .340 coefficient of drag, a 23% improvement compared to the 1982 Corvette, and one of the best in the world. Under the skin, Corvette's advanced engineering achievements continue. The frame and suspension system are virtually all new designs. Corvette's complete uniframe assembly is a solid steel structure that forms a strong base for attaching body panels and chassis components. It's also a rigid structure to enclose the interior and to minimize compliance. Compliance in a structure is a measure of flexibility. In a sports car like the Corvette, the goal is to limit compliance or flexibility by design and by using rigid components. For example, special high-strength steel is utilized in key areas, such as the rear rail, over the passenger compartment, the roof bow, and up front, the entire rail assembly, all designed to minimize compliance. The payoff is quick response to driver input. The same kind of high-performance technology also applies to the suspension and drivetrain. Corvette's four-wheel independent suspension is totally new. It features a number of innovative designs, such as forged aluminum components. Based on aircraft technology, they're stiff, strong, and lightweight. Up front, the knuckle and control arms are made of aluminum to achieve both weight efficiency and remarkable response. A 25-millimeter stabilizer bar helps limit body roll for flat cornering. One of the most innovative design elements of the front suspension is this fiberglass monoleaf spring. It does the same job as the coil springs it replaces and weighs half as much. It's mounted transversely across the frame, an all-new design for Corvette. For the first time, Corvette features a quick-ratio power rack and pinion steering system. It plays an important role in Corvette's remarkable handling. Also contributing to Corvette's handling characteristics is its sophisticated rear suspension system. Similar to the front, it makes extensive use of forged aluminum components and also features a fiberglass monoleaf spring. The system utilizes a fully independent 5-link design. Each element has a specific task to perform. The two trailing arms control fore and aft movement. The lower strut and half shaft control lateral movement, and the rear steer arm controls roll and deflection steer. In total, Corvette's suspension helps maximize weight efficiency for precise wheel movement, limits body lean during cornering, and offers quick response for precise driver control. Equally important to delivering outstanding performance capabilities are wheel and tire dynamics, the interaction with the road surface. Corvette offers an outstanding wheel and tire option, the Goodyear Eagle VR50. This tire was developed exclusively for the new Corvette and incorporates the best aspects of the Eagle GT and benefits from Goodyear's extensive research and development experience. The tread pattern is unidirectional. Tires are specific to the right and left sides. They're mounted to exclusive 16 by 8.5-inch aluminum wheels, contributing to Corvette's remarkable handling capability. This wheel and tire option can be complemented with a Z51 performance handling package, which includes wider 16 by 9.5-inch aluminum wheels on the rear for truly impressive lateral capability, a higher ratio positraction rear axle, heavy-duty shocks and monoleaf springs, larger stabilizer bars, and a faster steering gear ratio. When you talk about a high-performance vehicle and its capabilities, you also have to talk about the powertrain, the system that must integrate with the car's suspension and deliver the necessary transfer of power to give the vehicle speed and agility. Corvette uses advanced engine technology to deliver this responsiveness with the 5.7-liter Crossfire injection V8. It features dual computer-controlled fuel injection units for precise fuel metering and responsive acceleration. Corvette's air cleaner and rocker arm covers are made of a lightweight magnesium for reduced mass and for a custom appearance. The engine compartment also features a new cold air induction system. Molded into the hood, it channels outside air into each side of the air cleaner, then through the tuned inlet runners to the cylinders, contributing to Corvette's enhanced performance. For efficient transmission of power, Corvette features an all-new manual 4-speed transmission. It's a Chevrolet exclusive and one of the most sophisticated gearboxes in the world. It features a hydraulic actuated clutch and a unique overdrive gear set. The hydraulic actuation minimizes shock loading along the driveline and permits smooth engagement for rapid off-the-line acceleration. The overdrive gear set utilizes Corvette's onboard computer. Here's how it works. This chart shows the relationship between engine RPM and road speed. When you want performance, the computer senses it and disengages the gear set for direct torque transfer in all gears. But when you're driving for economy, the computer engages the gear set in second, third, and fourth gear, lowering engine RPM while maintaining the same road speed. Corvette also offers an automatic 4-speed overdrive transmission featuring a high stall torque converter with a computer-activated clutch. It engages in second, third, and the overdrive fourth gear, reducing fuel-wasting slippage. Together, Corvette's overdrive transmissions and fuel-injected engine provide responsive performance, but this performance is not complete without an equally impressive brake system. High output capacity is provided by Corvette's standard 4-wheel power disc brakes. They incorporate semi-metallic linings, invented rotors for low fade, and many aluminum components for reduced weight. They're the finishing touch to Corvette's overall performance design. When you add up the components and systems and consider all the design and engineering innovations, it's clear that Chevrolet has established an unprecedented level of Corvette performance. But the story of the new Corvette is still not complete. Chevrolet can research and design for years to develop a car like Corvette, but without quality in production, none of the designs would realize their full potential. Corvette's quality production starts here at the General Motors Assembly Division plant in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Completed in 1980, this facility was specifically designed to build a new Corvette. This advanced assembly facility is a combination of modern manufacturing technology and individually trained assemblers and technicians. The average Corvette assembly technician has more than 14 years on-the-job experience and has received an average of 120 hours of training in assembling Corvette. In addition, new manufacturing techniques have been brought online. A 2-stage robot welder builds Corvette's uniframe automatically through precise computer-controlled welds. Special fixtures are used to check the precision of the uniframe's geometry. This helps assure that critical attaching points for suspension and drivetrain components are within extremely narrow tolerances. Precision fixtures help assure accurate assembly of fiberglass body panels. The match check frame, a full-size blueprint, helps check critical alignments. Corvette's paint is applied in a dust-free, clean room environment using new paint chemistry and a 2-stage base coat, clear coat process. Thorough leak tests check accuracy of glass and molding alignment. Critical sub-assemblies, such as the front suspension, are built at individual workstations. Suspension components are then matched with the driveline and installed on Corvette's chassis. The specially built hydraulic tow-veyor marries the chassis and body in an interlocking system that helps assure a perfect match. Computers check and recheck quality. Every Corvette instrument panel is checked online before it's installed. CRT terminals control inventory and parts allocation. And every Corvette coming off the line receives a front and rear computerized wheel alignment on an automated system before it leaves the plant. From design through development and in final assembly, Chevrolet is dedicated to a Corvette whose quality is matched only by its performance capabilities. With 30 years of tradition to draw upon, combined with today's advanced engineering, the new Corvette satisfies the same basic desires that brought the original Corvette into existence. Driving excitement, precise handling, and remarkable performance. Still the innovative leader at Chevrolet. The new Corvette truly is a driver's car and an outstanding tribute to the Corvette heritage.